Can you see yourself in the 2020 Hyundai Elantra? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Hyundai Elantra, the tech-savvy compact that infuses every drive with a fresh feeling of innovation and modern style. From its suite of confidence-inspiring safety features to its svelte and sculpted looks, this driver-focused sedan is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.